So if you are thinking to apply abroad or to work abroad, please, please, please think about it for 1,000 times, or let's say 1,000,000 times. Pag-isipan mo. Kasi kung hindi buo yung loob mo, maano ka, magiging loser ka. Matatalo ka ng homesick. Tapos lalo na kung yung pinanggaling family mo ay napakasaya. Tapos bigla-bigla dadalhin ka sa isang situation na, oh my God, I'm alone. I am alone in this country. I am alone in this situation and I cannot go out anymore. Kailangan kong tapusin. May mga ganong instances. So please, if you are looking for a job abroad and you are looking for work abroad, please think about it, okay? Think about it. Dapat buo yung loob mo. As in, buo ka. Buo yung decisions mo. Kasi once na nandito ka na, hindi ka basta-basta makakauwi. Makakauwi ka kung yes, kung may pera ka. Pero kung wala kang 100,000, like 50,000, sayang din yun, die. So, good luck to your decisions. Based lang yan sa experience ko, ha? Huwag niyo sanang mamasamain. Kasi basa na naman ang kamay ko. Good luck!